Greetings to one and all. In this video, we will discuss Physics chapter number 1 of grade 6, that is Matter. The book that we are referring is Connect with Science by Annie Jacob. Connect with Science CISCE edition is a series for classes 3 to 8 designed as per the new curriculum released by the Council for Indian School Certificate Examination, that is CISCE, in November 2016. Let us begin with the first chapter of this textbook, that is Matter. Now, my dear children, what is matter? Matter is any substance which has mass and occupies space. Below that, you can see few examples such as milk, coke, bell, balloons, etc. Now, my dear children, have you ever wondered what matter is made up of? Matter consists of extremely small particles of different kinds like atoms and molecules. Characteristics of these particles can be termed as all particles are very small, they cannot be seen with the naked eye. The second point states that they are always in motion. The third point states they exert force on each other. And the final point is they have space between them. The very next important topic of this chapter is states of matter. Now, my dear children, there are three states of matter, namely solid, liquid, and gases. The example of solids are ice, chairs, etc., whereas the examples of liquids are water, juice, etc., and the example of gases are smoke, steam, etc. Now, let us look into the detail of solids, liquids, and gases. My dear children, in solids, the molecules are held together with strong bonds. They don't move very easily, so solids can keep their own shape and size. Whereas in liquids, the molecules have weaker bonds. They can move around slightly, so liquids can flow. They can't keep their shape unless they are in a container. Whereas in gases, the molecules are free to move around, they can spread around an open space quickly and freely. Gases can't keep their shape unless they are kept in a sealed container. Based upon this topic, we can discuss our next topic, that is properties of matter. So, my dear children, properties of solids are they are rigid, they have fixed shape, and they have fixed volume. On the other hand, regarding liquids, they are not rigid, they do not have fixed shape, but they do have fixed volume. In the end, regarding gases, they are not rigid, they do not have fixed shape, and they do not have fixed volume. The last topic that will conclude our chapter is distinguish between solids, liquids, and gases. My dear children, you can easily distinguish between the three states of matter depending upon their properties. Now, property number one, that is the shape. Solids have definite shape, liquids takes the shape of a container, and gases they do not have definite shape. The second property is volume. Solids and liquids have definite volume. But on the other hand, gases, they do not have definite volume. They fill the space available. The third property is interparticle space. In solids, it is closely packed. In liquids, it is loosely packed compared to the solids, and in gases, it is very loosely packed compared to solids as well as liquids. The fourth property is interparticle force of attraction. In solids, the interparticle force of attraction is highest. In liquids, it is less than solids but more than gases. In the gases, it is least. The last property is the flow. Solids cannot flow easily. Liquids can flow easily, but in nature, they can flow from a higher level to a lower level. On the other hand, gases they can flow very easily in every direction. The points that you should keep in mind is interparticle space and interparticle force of attraction can also be written as intermolecular space or intermolecular force of attraction. Here, particles and molecules are one and the same. My dear children, you can observe a relation between interparticle space and interparticle force of attraction. The more close the molecules are packed to each other, the greater is the interparticle force of attraction. For example, in solids, the molecules are very closely packed to each other, therefore, interparticle force of attraction in solids is highest. You can also compare the following point in liquids. The molecules are loosely packed in liquids, therefore, interparticle force of attraction is less than solids but more than gases. In gases, the molecules are very loosely packed, therefore, the interparticle force of attraction is the least. This concludes our chapter, and I hope that you are clear with chapter number 1 in physics. Thank you.